KDP is beginner friendly. Its startup costs are pretty much next to nothing. And its earning potential, well, it's not as high as, say, Amazon FBA. It can make you decent six figures, mid six figures, or you can exit out of the business for a couple $1 million as well by selling your business. So there's a lot of different levels of earning potential. So Amazon KDP is a business that works great as a side hustle, but it's also a business that works great as a full-time business. Amazon brings me in anywhere from about $120,000 to about $150,000 every year just from the books that I'm publishing on Amazon. And I don't publish a ton of books. I publish like 5 to 6 books a year. That's it. You don't have to go crazy. And the margins, like how much is the profit? I usually run between like 60 to 70% profit margin on these books. If you look at the profit margin on something like FBA, you're talking like down to like, I don't know, closer to 20 to 30% profit margin. It's a completely different beast. And that's just another reason that I would put Amazon KDP higher up on this list.